Good morning, it's Barbara. This is my third week on the keto diet, and I'm excited to report that I've stayed in keto this whole time, and I have had at least 0.9 ketones in my blood for each day since I started 3 weeks ago. I'm seeing some changes in my sleep patterns, which is good. You normally lose a lot of sleep when you have Parkinson's, so sleeping through the night is a rare occurrence, but it happens 3 nights in a row this week, so I'm thrilled about that. My mother's not here today. She's out of town, but she will join us next week. We'll talk about some alternative treatments to Parkinson's. The first one being mannitol. Mannitol is a natural sweetener, and this is what I use. It's the bulk supplements I get on Amazon. This is a 1 kilogram package. It's $26. It should last about 4 to 5 months. I take 1 tablespoon once a day with my coffee, and I have worked up to that. One of the side effects of mannitol is it can cause gas and diarrhea if you're not used to it. So I suggest if you are going to take it 1 teaspoon, then the next week 2 teaspoons, up to 3 teaspoons, or 1 tablespoon. One of the sources that I found on the internet is a video on YouTube, and it's called Mannitol and Parkinson's. And it says that mannitol has 2 unique properties that can hold potential for Parkinson's disease. First, it can disrupt the blood-brain barrier. The drug can actually reach the brain. That's very unusual. Second, it is able to stop some proteins in the body from clumping together, and clumps of alpha-synuclein are a well-known sign of Parkinson. In fruit fly models of of Parkinson's disease, mannitol injections restored the fly's normal movements. In the same flies, it reduced alpha-synuclein clumps by 70%. In mice models of Parkinson's, mannitol injections reduced the alpha-synuclein clumps in several areas of the brain involved with classic PD and protected dopamine-producing neurons, the brain cells affected in PD. For me, this is big. I don't need a prescription, and they halted all studies on this because it's a food substance, so they will not be able to patent it. I figure it can't hurt, and it has not hurt. I have been taking it for 7 months, and some of the people on the videos that I'm referencing have been taking it for over 1.5 years, and again, it cannot hurt anything. It's a food substance. And another thing I discovered while I was researching this is I discovered a website. It's called Clinicrowd, CLINICROWD. And it's a site that is for Parkinson's patients. And you can go there, and it helps you track your progression of either progression of the disease or progression of the treatment. So I suggest that would be a place I would suggest everybody go just to see what it's about. It looks very interesting to me, and I will be investigating it further. And I have posted the resources that I found on the internet on YouTube as well at the bottom of this video. I suggest you all read. I suggest you research mannitol. Again, I'm not a doctor. My mom will be back next week to liven things up, and I will be bringing up another alternative treatment next week. Until then, have a great and blessed day.